here's the issue. The original water connections for this Thor 2016 camper, which is similar to many other RVs, have become very discolored with time, just 4 or 5 years, and to clean it up is going to be almost impossible. It's a pretty low quality fitting anyway. We purchased a new fitting, a nice one here. This is actually specifically meant for RVs. Notice it doesn't have the drain. For the drain, because RVs don't have that. It's a nice metallic one. I bought on Amazon for, I don't know, it wasn't that much money. $25-30 to get a nice one. So we're going to get the old one out and put the new one in, and that's going to involve having to go below here and disconnect the connections in the back there. Those two connections back there. See those? And put a new unit in right there. So here's the old one. It also came with a nice new drain. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace that or not. Right now, the old drain's a plastic piece of junk. I'm not sure if that's going to fit in there. I may or may not play with that because it's a seal that I may not want to play with, but we'll see. We might actually replace this also. Finished product. You see nice solution. The only issue I had was this fits. You have to tighten it pretty tightly here, so that's not perfect there, but that's much better than the plastic one I did before. Nice little pop-up. It holds water well. I tested it, and now you see underneath here, everything's all back together normal, and it's nice. Nice little project there. Significantly improved the look of your bathroom fixture, and honestly I think it's quicker than cleaning it. And I have a permanent fixture that's nice metal and looks good. Will last for many years.